Let's talk about Stalker error 0xc000007b application error in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
First things first, try a simple restart. It's surprising how often this resolves minor software glitches. Next, ensure your Stalker game files are validated through your launcher, as corrupted files are a common culprit for application errors. Also, don't forget to check for any pending Windows updates, as an outdated operating system can lead to compatibility issues. Outdated or faulty graphics drivers are frequently behind the scaled error, especially with demanding games like Stalker that head directly to your graphics card manufacturer's official website, be it NVIDIA or Intel, and download the very latest drivers specific to your book. Performing a clean installation during the driver setup process is highly recommended to clear out any old conflicting files.
The scaled error often points to issues with Microsoft Visual Redistributable Packages or the Net Framework. These are crucial components for running many applications, including Stalker. You will need to install or repair the correct and versions of these packages, which can be found on Microsoft's official download pages. Ensuring these are up to date and correctly installed is vital for game stability.
Sometimes the problem lies deeper, stemming from corrupted Windows system files, which can prevent applications from launching to address. Open your command prompt as an administrator and type scan out, then press enter. This powerful utility will scan your entire system for any damaged or missing system files and attempt to repair them automatically. Be patient, as this process can take some time, but it's a critical step in resolving persistent application errors.